Today we are implementing important Jupyter notebook shortcuts. The code of this notebook you can get on the link displayed above. First, to run the cell, select the cell and press Shift-Enter. It will run the cell and select the cell below. Or you can press Ctrl-Enter. It will run the cell but it will not select the cell below. Second shortcut, convert the cell into a markdown cell, press Esc M. It will treat the content inside the cell as a text. Generally, markdown cells are used for styling your document or describing the document. Third, to convert the cell into a code cell, press Esc Y. Again, the cell is converted into a code cell. You can run it. It will be treated as a code. To select the cell below, press down arrow key. To select the cell above, press up arrow key. To insert a new cell below, press Esc B. It will insert a new cell, blank cell below. To insert a new blank cell above, press Esc A. To copy a cell, select the cell and press Esc C. It will copy the cell. To paste the cell above, press Esc Shift-V. It will paste the cell above. To paste the cell below the current cell, press Esc V. It will paste the cell below the current cell. To cut the cell, press Esc X. It will cut the cell. You can paste it above. If you want to paste it above, Esc Shift-V. You paste it above. You want to paste it below, press Esc V. It will paste the cell below the current cell. If you want to delete the cell, press Esc D D. It will delete the current selected cell. Esc D D. Delete the current selected cell. If you want to undo the deletion, press Esc Z. It will undo deletion. If you want to merge the cell, first select multiple cells. For selecting multiple cells, press Esc Shift down arrow key. Will select multiple cells down and press Esc Shift-M. It will merge multiple cells. To split the cell at the given point, press Ctrl Shift minus. It will split the cell at the current cursor. To save the notebook, press Esc S. It will save the notebook. To show the line number of the current cell, press Esc L. It will show the line number. If you again press Esc L, it will hide the line numbers. Means Esc L is used for toggling the line numbers. If you want to show the line numbers for the complete document, press Esc Shift-L. Will show the line number for complete document. Again, if you press Esc Shift-L, it will hide the line numbers for the complete document. If you want to toggle the output of a cell, select the cell, press Esc O. Will hide the output. Again, you will press Esc O. It will show the output. If you want to see all the shortcuts, press Esc H. It will display the keyboard shortcut which we are implementing. If any case you get an error while executing the notebook and your kernel stops, to restart the kernel, press Escape 00. It will prompt you whether you want to restart the kernel. Press Restart. It will take some time to restart the kernel. If you are restarting the kernel to get the correct output, you have to rerun the cell again in the order in which they have to be executed. We are running the first cell. This will take time because the kernel is restarting. It will display the message on the upper right hand side that the kernel is started, and then it will execute the cell. You can see kernel is starting, kernel ready, executed the cell. To scroll down, press shift, it will scroll down. To scroll up, press shift space, it will scroll you up on your notebook. If you want to find and replace any word in the current cell, select the cell, press Escape F, and it will give you the find and replace functionality. Suppose I want to replace IMG by image, it will replace all the IMG in the current cell by the word image. If you want to implement any functionality and you don't know the shortcut, then you can enter into command palette Escape P, type the functionality which you want to implement, clear all cells. It will clear all cells output. You can see output of all the cells disappear. First, to give an indentation, press a tab. Second, another option to give an indentation is press Ctrl, opening square bracket. Third, to remove an indentation, Ctrl, closing square bracket. First we give an indentation by giving a tab, and then to remove it, press Ctrl, closing square bracket. Select all, Ctrl A for selecting all the lines in the current cell. Undo, Ctrl Z. Suppose you have deleted some words or text in your cell. If you want them back, press Ctrl Z, undo operation. Comment. Generally, comment are used for describing the code. To add a comment or to convert a line into a comment, press Ctrl//. It will convert the given line into a comment. Ctrl// will convert it into a comment. To delete a line, Ctrl D. Ctrl D will delete the complete line. Undo, Ctrl Z. Ctrl D will delete the complete line. Undo selection, Ctrl U. Ctrl A, select all the cells. Ctrl U will undo the selection. Insert, toggle override flag. Suppose I want to add an additional word inside this text. If I add the additional word, the text in the code get replaced. If I don't want to do this, first press Ctrl Z, will bring back to the original text, and then press insert. If you add an additional text, that will be added and the previous text will be intact. If you want vice versa, if you add a text and the previous text should be replaced, then again press insert, then the text which was previous will be replaced by the new text. This was insert toggle override flag. Next, to move your cursor to the cell start, press Ctrl Home. It will move your cursor to the starting of the current cell. To move your cursor to the end of the current cell, press Ctrl End. It will move your cursor to the end of the current cell. To move one word left, press Ctrl and left arrow key. It will move you one word left. To move the cursor to one word right, press Ctrl and the right arrow key. It will move your cursor to one word right. To delete one word backwards, Ctrl backspace. Control Z, bring it back. Control backspace, it will delete one word left. To delete one word on the right hand side, press Control delete. It will delete one word on the RHS. Control delete. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.